It is hardly surprising that, in the biggest market in the world, there are problems involving food safety. With so much money to be made from taking shortcuts, unscrupulous food manufacturers, both local and foreign, have been caught cheating the public. The fact that they have been caught is encouraging at one level, as it indicates that systems are in place to catch those who break the rules. However, it is the regularity of these reported incidents that has the authorities concerned both in China and the countries to which China exports its products. Food safety is in everyone's interest, as the stakes are just too high if they are not in place. The 2008 baby formula scandal was the most important food safety issue in China, and one of the most significant in the recorded history. The incident made the newspaper headlines around the world because children are so vulnerable and susceptible to tainted food, and because of the revered status of children in the country.